Ashley here, and in this video I'm going to share with you my first experience using rice water on my hair. So I've always heard about rice water rinses, but I never really did the research or watched the full video to see what it's all about. It wasn't until a couple weeks ago when I started seeing more videos on rice water, and I came across a video from Jazz Mary on Instagram, and she shared her results of using rice water on her hair after she had a baby and was dealing with tons of shedding. Her results were amazing, and I'm like, all right, I gotta give this a try, because after my hair texture changed due to my iron deficiency and my low iron levels, I definitely noticed tons of shedding, and my edges were a little thin here, and just other things like my hair breaking off and not being as strong as it was before. So after seeing her video and some other ones, I figured, why not do my research? This seems to work. So I did, like I always do before doing any type of DIY on my hair and my skin. Listen, if you're doing any type of DIY on your hair and your skin, always do your research before, because for example, rice water has protein in it, and lots of people are protein sensitive when it comes to their hair. I'm not, so I knew when I saw protein and all these other great vitamins in it, I needed to give this a try. So in this video, you're gonna see how I made the rice water, how I did the rinse, and then my results after using it for the first time. And after, I'll check in with you and let you know my final thoughts. First things first, let's make the rice water rinse. All you're gonna need is rice. I'm using normal white rice from the grocery store. You're gonna also need water. And then this is optional. I'm using an essential oil. I'll be using peppermint oil. And then you're gonna need a jar or a bowl with a nice tight lid on it, and then a strainer. So what we're gonna do first is I measured about a cup of rice, put it in my strainer so I can wash it off. I'm just washing off any dust or impurities that may be on the rice before I put it in the jar. So now we got our jar. Pepper, as you see her there, is making sure we got it. And I'm gonna put about a half a cup into my jar. I've seen tons of different measurements for rice water, but I felt like this was the perfect amount for this size jar. So now that's all in there, I'm going to add my water, and after I add my water, I'm gonna add that essential oil that I mentioned earlier, the peppermint oil. The reason why I added the essential oil is because I was reading when you let the rice sit for 24 hours, like I am going to do, it tends to have a bad smell, so adding an essential oil kind of takes away that bad smell. Plus, peppermint oil has tons of benefits, and I love the way it makes my scalp feel. Now it's the next day. I let the rice water sit for 24 hours, and now I'm ready to use it. I did take a whiff of the rice water, and it didn't smell bad. It just smelled like peppermint oil. So now what I'm gonna do is just get rid of that rice since I don't need it. All I need is that rice water. Now I'm going to transfer that into a spray bottle. I feel like the spray bottle is going to make it easier to saturate all of my hair with the rice water while I'm in the shower. So before I do the rinse, I'm going to shampoo and condition my hair as well as detangle. I also got some footage of how much I shed while I detangled, because rice water is supposed to help with shedding. So I kind of want to get a comparison of how much I shed now, as you see here, compared to like a month or two from now after using rice water. So now I'm also showing you how my edges look. They're a little thin, not as thick as I want them to be. So I just want to show you my hair now so you get a good idea of what it looks like before and after once I do an updated video. So now I'm just going to apply the rice water after I rinsed out my conditioner, and I'm just going to take that spray bottle and spray it from my roots to my ends until all of my hair from roots to end is covered in this rice water. After whatever I have left, I'm just going to rinse that all throughout my hair. It was very cold, just to make sure my hair got all those nutrients from the rice water. So I let the rice water rinse sit in my hair for about 35 minutes, and after I'm just going to rinse it out with water and then of course style my hair. But having the rice water rinse in my hair, I could definitely tell how soft my hair felt, and it was nice to see like an instant result from using the rice water for the first time. Alright, so that was the rice water rinse. Super easy to add into my wash day routine for sure. There's a few things I think I definitely noticed on my first time using the rice water. My hair was much softer and shinier after using the rice water. A little bit more manageable, like when I applied it, I noticed my hair was easier to detangle. The only thing I would probably do is maybe switch around when I use the rice water. So this time I did shampoo, conditioner, then rice water rinse. But I might do it before my conditioner, my deep conditioner, because thinking about it, rice water does have protein in it, and usually when I do my protein treatments, I always follow up with a deep conditioner. So I think the next time I try it, which will be my next wash day, I'm going to do it before I deep condition or condition my hair. But other than that, it was a great experience. I'm definitely going to incorporate this into my wash day, if not every week, then every other week, to see if I experience any changes in my hair. So I'm expecting less shedding. Hopefully my edges thicken up. You guys saw what they look like now, so hopefully when I do an updated video, there's a difference in my hair. Let me know down in the comment section if you've ever done a rice water rinse, how you use it. I saw all over the internet, people use it as like a pre-poo, some people use it as a leave-in, some people do it overnight. So I'm curious to see how you may use it, and leave any advice or tips, because you know we're all here trying to get healthy hair, so why not help each other? As you saw in the video, this is how much I shed in the wash day, so I'm going to see if in a month or two after using the rice water rinses more often, if there's going to be less shedding and if my hair is going to be thicker, but we will see. That will be in the next video. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.